In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add MP4 file in Dorik. By the end, you'll know exactly how to log in, place a video on your page, upload an MP4 from your computer, and fine-tune the player so it looks and works the way you want. Start by opening your browser and going to the Dorik login page. On the sign-in screen, click the option that says Sign In As to continue. If you're prompted to choose a Google account, select the one you use for your Dorik workspace and complete the sign-in. Once you're in the dashboard, locate the site you want to work on and click Edit Site to launch the builder. Inside the builder, open the Elements panel and add a new element to your page. Choose the Video element. Dorik will place a video placeholder on the canvas and show its Settings panel. In the Settings, open the Video Type dropdown. From the available options, pick Upload so you can add a video file directly rather than embedding from another platform. Next, click Upload Video to open Dorik's Media Manager. In the Media Manager, click Upload Video again to begin the upload process. Now click Upload File to open your computer's file picker. Choose your MP4 file and confirm. MP4 is widely supported on the web. For best results, use a reasonably compressed file to keep loading fast and avoid very large uploads. Clear file names also help you stay organized if you manage multiple videos. After the upload finishes, your video will be linked to the element. You can now adjust the player configuration. Turn controls on if you want viewers to play and pause the video themselves. If you prefer the video to start automatically, enable autoplay and consider muting the video, since many browsers allow autoplay only when sound is off. Loop will restart the video when it ends, and you can set a poster or thumbnail so the player looks polished before playback begins. Finally, refine the video width and height to fit your layout. Maintain the aspect ratio, 16.9 is common, to avoid stretching. If your section is full width, let the video scale responsively. If it sits in a column, choose dimensions that balance visibility with the rest of your content. Keeping the video size appropriate helps performance on mobile and desktop. That's it. You've logged in, edited your site, added a video element, selected Upload as the source, uploaded your MP4, and configured the player's behavior and size. Save your work in the builder and you're ready to use your MP4 on your Dorik page.